In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the search engine optimization manager. So in order to use the SEO manager, you navigate to the store management section and select settings. In the settings page, you select modules. So here we are going to search for the SEO manager. So you can see it here. So the next thing we do is we proceed to click on the edit button. So now you can see the SEO manager. So this module is used to manage your store search engine optimization settings. So as you can see, you can view your SEO score in real time on the SEO manager dashboard. So you can also improve the SEO score by implementing the tasks here. So we can proceed to check other sections. So you can see under the URLs and linking section. So here we can improve the SEO score by generating SEO friendly links for the storefront pages using this option. So you can learn more about this section here. So let's proceed. So in the next section, under the content section, so here we can generate keywords, titles and descriptions. So this is for the product title and product description. So we can use the module to generate SEO friendly content for the store products using this option. So to learn more about the meta content, you can read it up here. So under the advanced editor section, so here we can proceed to edit our store products SEO, keyword, meta, title, description using this option. So this provides an easier way to edit it in a tabular form. So for the SEO keyword, we can just come here, click on this button, and then proceed to change it. So this is useful if we have many products in the store. So it makes it easier for us to edit the SEO content using these options. So you see that we can also edit SEO for the categories, for information pages, and for manufacturers. So let's go back to the product section. As you can see, you can select any of this. So for the meta title, we can proceed to change it by clicking on the edit button. So I'll proceed to change this and then save. So now you see that the meta title has been adjusted. We can also do that for the meta description and keywords. So let's proceed. In the social SEO section, so this is purely for our social media pages. So we can generate social links that are SEO friendly for our social media pages using this option. To learn more about this section, you can read up on it here. So let's proceed. In the structured data section, so here we can set the data structure for products, categories, and store information. So we can use these settings to improve the store SEO by structuring the data in the store. So to learn more about this, you can read up on it here as well. So under image names, so we can also adjust the product image names using these two. So this will enable us to rename the product images. So this is useful for improving the search engine optimization for product listing. So to learn more, you can always find the information you need here. So we can also set up page crawler settings using this option. You can set up search engine analytics. So using this option, this will enable us to track the search engine bots that are crawling the storefront pages. So we can also check for deleted pages that show 404 error. We can track them here. So we can also proceed to check on the robots.txt file editor. We can create a custom robot.txt file editor here. So proceed. So here we can also adjust the sitemap feed. That's the store sitemap feed using this option. So the sitemap feed tells the crawler the URLs it can crawl on the storefront pages. So here is the FAQ section. So you can, if you have any problem with the search engine optimization manager, you can learn more about the features here. So in this example, I've shown you how to use the SEO Manager module. Thank you for watching.